My name is Kevin Varrato, and I am the president of the Steel City chapter of the Railway Locomotive Historical Society. Our mission is to remember, recognize, and educate the public through an interactive transportation museum highlighting Western Pennsylvania's rich industrial past.
As you see in the room, we have different photographs, we have maps, blueprints, different memorabilia that's specific to the Pittsburgh region. We're trying to save anything that we can as far as memorabilia, artifacts, dealing with railroads and transportation, so future generations can look at it, study it, and learn from it.
We recently obtained a large photography collection dealing with slides, negatives, and prints of mostly railroad photographs, old negatives, and slides dating back from the early 1900s to present day. There's a lot of Western Pennsylvania railroads along with the tri-state area. It consists of upwards between 200 and 300,000 slides, negatives, and prints. Once we go through all the slides, we will then digitize everything, scanning each one individually, cataloging everything, organizing it, and putting it in the proper location.
I believe that it's important to reflect on our local history because before our generation, Pittsburgh was the steel-making center of the country. And in World War II, we were an essential part of the war effort. It is very important not to lose sight of how important we were. And I'm trying to see that you can put a face on this history, that there are actually these things being done by people, not too unordinary, people you might know today as descendants of these people, and they have their very important jobs to do.
We are in the process of looking for a permanent home for our future museum. We are looking at a property now in McKeesport. It's the former McKeesport Connecting Roundhouse located in McKeesport at the National Tube Works. The building itself needs rehabilitated. The building's been vacant since the 80s. We want to take it to how it was meant to be, a railroad facility. We want to put rolling stock, locomotives, put a scale model layout. We want to put a research library. So it's a lot of stuff that we want to preserve so it's not forgotten. The shirt design come about, I wanted something to take to train shows, hobby shows, because we have a booth. We're trying to promote our chapter to get more membership. Now the t-shirt design, it's a Union Railroad switch engine on top and a McKeesport Connecting switch engine on the bottom. I try to get it kind of look like a classy design and showing the steam engines, because people love steam engines, and with our logo. Now the background is also the route map for the Union Railroad and McKeesport Connecting. We love them. We've had nothing but positive reviews on it. People love the shirts. Within 2 shows we sold about 30 shirts, so that's great because it helps us out. It's getting more exposure out to people and getting them interested in joining our organization.
The quality look of the t-shirts makes them easier to sell, and they certainly do draw attention because of that.
We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, and we have our website. We're always looking for donations, either monetary or railroad memorabilia. So if you have any photographs or any memorabilia that you would like to donate to a historical society to preserve that history, feel free to contact us.